A joyful learning.
A little bunny and a big carrot.
Once upon a time, on a farm full of chirping birds and colorful flowers, lived a very small, cute bunny. Bunny loved to hop around the farm and play with his friends. But more than anything else, Bunny loved carrots. One day, Bunny saw the biggest carrot he had ever seen. It was sticking out from the ground, bright orange and shiny. Bunny felt happy and decided to pull the big carrot out of the ground. Bunny wanted that big carrot all for himself. He pulled and pulled, but the carrot was too big for him to pull out alone. After trying for long, Bunny became tired and was looking very sad. Bunny felt really upset. He wanted the big carrot, but he couldn't get it out by himself. At that time, Bunny saw his friends a squirrel, a bird, and a mouse coming his way. Seeing Bunny upset, his friends came near and asked him what was wrong. Bunny showed them the big carrot. His friends looked at each other and then at Bunny. Bunny's friends decided to help him pull out the big carrot. Together, they all pulled and finally the big carrot came out. Bunny was so happy. He thanked his friends and shared the big carrot with them. Bunny and his friends ate the carrot together.
Moral:
We achieve more together.
Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more videos.